Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a line chart in a Word document. So I have Word open, and once you get Word open, then you'll want to select a blank document. And that's where we are here now, is a blank document. So you'll want to go to Insert, which is up here. Click Insert, and then you'll want to select the chart icon here. And from here, a window will pop up and you can select whatever type of chart that you need or you want to reflect your data. So you can kind of look around here and there's all kinds of different styles of charts, but for today we're going to pick a line. And then from here you can pick the different types and you can scroll through here and you can make it bigger by moving your mouse over the example. So we are going to pick the line with markers, which looks like this. For our example today, we're going to be making a chart that shows the weekly progress of students when they run a 1/2 mile. So we're going to select this one. Okay. Okay, so here, tracking students' progress for 1/2 mile jog. Each line here will represent each student. So you'll see that these say series, which is each student. So you want to put in the kids' names. So we'll use my name is Cassie. And then you want to go over here. And let's say Ella is my daughter's name, and Joseph is another student. And you can add more students by just selecting these and adding their names. And then on the category, that's going to be here. So you'll want to add week 1, week 2, so you can see their progress. So I'll do that quickly. Okay, so here you have the data and it changes automatically, and for the sake of time we're just going to leave this in here. So then you can just click it off. So that shows each student, so Cassie's progress for week 1, and then week 2, week 3, and week 4. So then you can change the title by just clicking on it, and then we'll call it weekly 1/2 mile progress. So that's what that will look like. And then if you ever want to add data, so you have week 5 or whatever, and you want to add that time in, so you'll go up here to edit data. You select that and you'll just want to do this one because that will take you to Excel, which is a different program. So add data, and that will just pull that back up, and you can add your information. And then another thing you can do from here, it's easy. If you want to change the color, you just don't like the color, you select the line itself, and then you go to this little paintbrush here, and then you go to color, and you can change the color. So brown. And you have, just click the different ones, and you can change all the colors really easy. So that's how you do that. So that is how you create a line chart in Word.